Paint using symmetry. I can paint on both sides of a symmetrical model simultaneously. But that object has to be symmetrical. So here I have just a sphere from our basic sculpt template. I'm going to go to my paint, say paintbrush. I'm going to go to paint on it, and I got to create a paint layer. That's fine. Now I'm going to come over here where it says mirror. If this is at the center, exactly at our center origin at 0, 0, 0 or x, y, z, I can choose any one of these planes. Okay, so maybe I'll choose the y, and I'll come in here and I'll mirror that. I'll come in here and turn it off. All right, so that's all well and good. So that's how we paint with symmetry on an object that's parked right at our, so if I pick on an object here, you can see, yes, this is right at our, if I go to translate, you can see that's right in the center of the object. So that's the key here, is I can use my symmetry on X, Y, and Z if it's in the center of something. Now, what I want to do is, let's go up and create a new scene, just so we're clear. Now, let's pick and paint on something that's not in the center. So right now it is, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this object. I'm going to go to translate, and I'm going to move this object. All right, so I end up moving the object. I'll say deselect. Okay. And now I'm going to go and paint on it. And I'm going to set my, this time you can see when I go to my X, Y, and Z, you can see that it's at the center of the origin. If I want to paint on an object that's not the center of origin, I have to go to my local. Alright, so I'll go to my local X, Y, and Z. So now I'll have it on my X, and I'll say yes to my layer, and I'll paint locally now. Okay, so I have two different types of painting with symmetry. I have it on the global origin and X, Y, and Z, and I have it on the user origin, which is at the local object X, Y, and Z.